Mfana ngeke ngithi ngithi ngikuboleka istadium wena uthatha istadium uhambisa i3 points. Bathi bekuyihome yakho leya. Uhambisa kanjani i3 points yokuboleka istadium?
Into zakho.
Fana we saw it i-Riding Pirates lose to i-Riding Sundowns izolo nge 2-1 eSharp. And had you won leya game leyana ngabe ufair blind nge-league, but ke nabo siduma ngabanye bathi siyabonga ukuthi uwinile, so i-league is very much open right now. But a lot of you guys benikhale ngo-coach starting lineup saka coach. What exactly were you guys crying for ngalesa starting lineup saka coach?
Yeah. I think yonke into vele imosheke kwinto ki-lineup kuqala because i-lineup ibidlala sonke besidinga umbatha kuleya game leya. Number 1 besidinga umbatha.
Yeah.
Mike Mamosha since ku-injury then big game eso uzoqala ngaye. Then sibelebele I think bengamelanga aqale ngaye izolo. Kumele at least uFan Rooyen uqhubekile because since bokuye into i-starter uFan Rooyen, so umbatha no Van Rooyen I think bokumele baqalile lo bantu balapho. Then nakumasapha wethu we needed uMakgopa ngaphandle. So udlala neSundowns then ibench lakho aliqinanga.
Yeah.
So nje lineup nebench lethu nje.
So ulona siqale ku Mike Mamosha, are you saying ukuthi he had a bad game, or are you just saying ukuthi ulona wayebeka ne momentum kakhulu? Did uSibelebele have a bad game izolo?
No, akabanga na bad game. Upushile, but then if you check amase kuyophela igame besikeshawa ama-cramp umzimba uzomsinda.
Yeah.
So bekumele at least ke second half introduce second half aqhubeke ngomuntu bedlala kunto ku right back.
Okay.
Then at least yena bese nga overloada ngaye kunto second half usazi ukuthi sine speed from ebenchini.
Abanye bathi no Tito bengamelanga aqala.
Clear center. Yeah. Cause i-game si lose lapha entene center.
Yeah.
Cause if iSundowns beyizenzela ukuthi ebizabe beke relaxile khona ukudlala, then ucheck uAdams akusi starter seSundowns, so uAllen starter seSundowns, kodwa uAdams ufike wamanager wadlala grand. So unomuntu ombatha akekho, at least if besinombatha then nonto no Makhawula, then okay asiqhubeke ngonto ngorele as number 10 ke uTito aqale from ebenchini naye.
So you saying lesiyabe kungasi best starting lineup yakho, but we saw earlier on in the game Riding Williams had to do like ama-save ahlanyayo to save i-team yakhe because already besen attacker. Let's talk about lawo ma-attacks lawo and how Riding Williams came through for his Sundowns.
Yeah, if first 10 minutes to 20 minutes since i-game siyiphethe kahle because you check into i-chance ethole uHot which is a run.
Yeah.
Then Williams washaya i-save, you check uMbuthuma thole i-free header lapha and then i-chance nje leyo. So first 20 minutes besigrand sikhonile ukuthi siyimanage into iSundowns salahla ngale penalty kanto kaTito.
Yeah.
Elapha eboxing wa relaxa, then
so you still insist ukuthi penalty leya?
Yeah, itouch bekhona because uvela from behind.
Yeah.
Undamane uvele from behind lapha and kuseboxini, any contact eboxini it's a penalty.
While nisacomplaina ngale penalty iSundowns ipush focus, we saw igol lakhona elifaka ngada kuLeon.
Yes.
Who is to blame lapha, the defenders, the goalkeepers, or ama-player wonke for not focusing?
If you check singasho sithi ama-player wonke because if you check ifocus isekuphi isele kuTito.
Yeah.
Then iSundowns enenzani uRevra kaJajanga ngathi continue ngeplay. iSundowns yaqhubeka neplay, then ucheck uHotho ukuphi uHotho ungapha
off position, yeah.
uyakuphi bese uyoku-attack then off position uHotho
Balishaya lapho abuya khona.
then
Yeah.
angeke siblame ama-defender fine siyasho ukuthi okay uSibisi bekumele a-check emva kwakho ukuthi
Yeah.
ngubani but then i-Sundowns sibambe silele.
And then we saw isame goal liza nga same fashion nayo. Ulishaya ipass ekhipha iphele emasini uriding ama defender ayithuna uliyona ungena ngaphakathi. Are you blaming ama defenders or what went wrong lapha?
Same thing ukuthi simaka kanjani because uLeon ungene in between kwanto kwasiyema noSibisi which is amagoli indlela ke kora ngayo angazi ukuthi aba-analyzanga bambheka ukuthi le striker i-strike esinjani because ucheck igame yento i-MCL Jalebe bedlala ukore similar goals ukuthi uyafika nje ama-tapini nama-header wakhe nje ungena phakathi kwe-defender ahead akora if yakhaba ngenyawo ungena phakathi kwe-defender akhabe akora so ukulala kwama-defender uSibisi nonto nosiyema baye balala lapha oyi-1 bekemela amphikhe oyi-1 abe free
so nje in overall which you say like nge-Sundowns was the best team izolo over nini?
No.
So you
yona i-Sundowns into isebenzise ama-chances wawo because if uyakhumbula nezolo ngishilo kuyithe thina sithola ama-chance amaningi then i-Sundowns once yathola i-chance izocapitalize ngaleyo chance leyo after lama moments wethu thina akaHotho nakambuthuma then i-Sundowns ithole only one chance then athole i-chance inithe goal then mabeqeda lapho bamanage igame bacontrola nje igame kuphela then babheke ama-moments ukuthi thina lapho silahla khona bayashaya futhi.
And you also mentioned ukuthi had ube noma Hopa ebenchini yakho izinto bezoba different but we saw coach introducer uDe Jong. A lot of people bathi kanti lo mlungweni udlala kuphi kwenzakalani? Would you also prefer uriding uma Hopa ebenchini over uDe Jong, and what did you think about the game kaDe Jong Gister?
igame enkulu le uDe Jong akakayitholi into i-rhythm yakhe same applies into umsendana akakayitholi i-rhythm yakhe so letha ama-player wakho ojwayele ukudlala ngawo ojwayele akuwinelayo ama-games le game we needed uMahopa sim-introducer second half besoba right then uDe Jong ungenile but then asimazi ukuthi ene umfaka off position because uDe Jong akusi-striker is a number 10 so ungena uchase igame ufaka another number 10 then ulindele ukuthi cross amabhola akuna striker lapha yabo ukuthi nje besizenzela umsebenzi difficult nje thina so we needed uMahopa kule game then besimdinga.
So riding, you take this defeat, you go to your next game obviously ohlala neKaizer good riding go Nedbank but ke abantu bathi ke hey with the Sundowns sekwenzeka nje neKhosi nalo ngathi nje sezosidalela la kuwe and then from uba number 1 ngathi fate yakho izochange. So what are you saying with this lose going forward? Uyibona kanjani iplay yakho?
Ilose it's a lesson ilose kithi nokuthi I think bese relaxe kakhulu I mean sigcineni uthola i-defeat so izobavusa i-league izobavusa starter from Saturday kwamele sivuke manje igame iphelile eSundowns asivuke sizithathe Saturday sine game yeNedbank ekumele siyidlale ekumele siwine then next week sine game enkulu okumele siwine if ever siyafuna ukuyiwina le league
because you just reminded me before shoot it's actually the first leg enzobe nidlala neChiefs so you still have another leg there so kahle i-league is still open vele just kumele nje niyimisele nani
open wena nje as long as iPirates izowina ama games wayo then right ingadrop ama points then sizobe sigrand then we have to play Chiefs first leg then the second leg again which is 6 points ekumele idlalele then Chiefs nayo ifuna ukuphakamisana isandla number 3 if bayawina against Stellenbosch so bashiya nga 2 points so yabo ukuthi ivulekile futhi into
ivulekile so if let's say mhlawumbe coach wakho watches this ungathini kuye your next game?
Stick to your winning team nje kuphela stick to your winning team une team ekwinelayo then uya ku next game uchange kakhulu, then uya kwenye game futhi uyaphinda uyachange. Singachange kakhulu, kulate manje. Stick to your winning team nje kuphela nje.
Angacabangela ama-feelings wama-player.
Ama-feelings wama-player.
Ngoba badala abantu they get it. Dala abadlala ibhola. Bangabe iplayer li-on form, qhubeka iplayer li-on form until mhlambe lilimali.
Example, abokwayiba bafikile bathola 2 chances babonakala ukuthi okay akusimaterial ePirates, then sebenzani sabahambisa uMashilwane udlale 1 game. Then sonke sathi hayi uMashilwane akusibi imaterial,
sure.
Then we see unto uthi Jong, we see unto uMsendane every time bengena labantu laba babina impact. Then why singadlalisa abantu esazi ukuthi bazosebenzela? We have uShengu.
And akunesikhathi
engadlala. Then abantu abebenokuwinela ama-games labo. So stick to your winning team, stick to your regular players, wazi ukuthi lama player la akuwinela ama-games kuphela.
It's not a race, it's a marathon. Ibhola lethu ibhola lomzansi nabaphethelo, siyabonga bafethu.